Philippine, there's a scary legend about the whistling man. Late at night, when the streets are empty, some say they hear a strange, slow whistling sound. When people look around, they see a tall man dressed in black, standing in the shadows. His face is hidden, and he keeps whistling the same eerie melody. One night, Mia, a young woman, was walking home alone in Manila. As she turned a corner, she heard a slow, eerie whistle. Looking around, she spotted a tall man in black, half hidden in the shadows, whistling the same haunting tune. Nervous, she whistled back. Instantly, silence. The man's head snapped up, revealing a twisted grin with sharp, blackened teeth. Suddenly, he rushed toward her at unnatural speed. Mia screamed and ran, barely making it inside her house. Just as she locked the door, the whistling started again, right outside. The next morning, Mia was found shaking in a corner, whispering, "Don't whistle back." Guys, this story is from Philippine. Comment your country and I will make a story from there.